Okay.
So who's I am not introducing. You're gonna be introducing.
Every time I'm introducing. What the hell?
I
man?
introduced last time.
Okay, here's the thing, everyone, the both of you. I know you guys are in love. You cannot decide a host. It's completely fine. I'm going to host the show today. Hello everyone, welcome to Person Behind the Persona. Today we are here with Okus and his co-host. Wait a minute, they're both co-hosts. So
Right.
okay. Today we're here with the host Wahi Funny Wala on Instagram and Aman today. And with the two co-hosts, namely Papa Okus, I don't even know what his name is, and Rav, I don't even know what his name is.
My name is Gaurav.
My name is
Gaurav.
Sheesh.
I know your names. I know your
Yeah.
names.
Okay.
Uh.
Okay. Fine.
Acha. So sir,
Great.
wahi funny wala.
Yes, sir.
The whole
Are you going to
reason.
start now? 5, 4, 3,
3,
2,
2,
1, let's go.
let's go.
Are you going to start now?
No, the reason we have brought you on this podcast is nothing
Yes,
but
what's
to
the
make this whole episode of you just doing whatever the fuck you want. We sitting, relaxing, and just enjoying the show. That's all we are here for. So, like,
Do you like ASMR?
yeah, we love ASMR. You can give us all.
Never
the
mind, I'm not
ASMR.
going to do that.
He's getting.
good to know.
He's like just ask that
Gathering
question.
intel. You're 25-year old, right?
I'm
25.
26. You asked the question first. I was about to ask that question.
You're 26. Damn. Do you have like a
Damn.
day job and
Yes,
like
I
an
do.
actual job?
Why are you interviewing me? Oh, so you're the host. Oh my god.
You don't know. Finally, someone, right? After Bean. I love Bean's name, by the way. Like Bean, I think he thought this through. Bean and Claude, or if it settled like that, he was called Bean Claude, then I think it's the best name. I'm going to call my kids Bean Claude. One is going to be Bean, one is going to be Claude, and then you know what? They're both going to be called Bean, and their surnames will be Claude. And
Do you
I know they're going to get bullied, but you know, kids deserve to get bullied in school. It is very necessary, especially like if Okus didn't get bullied, do you really think he would be here? He would actually. A little better. Anyway. So Ram, what was my question? Yeah, you're
My
going to
question-
ask me something, right?
Yeah. What was my question? My question was, how old are you?
Interesting. I'm 20. I'm going to be 21 in 5 months.
In 5
Wait,
months.
let me count. I didn't count. I just said anything. December. It's December, right? January, February, March. In 3 months. Holy
Abey.
shit.
अबे भोसड़ी के नॉर्थ इंडियन तेरा एक्सेंट के लिए
Did I stutter?
motherfucker, look how you
You rolled your
Sheesh,
R's the way North
sheesh,
Indians
we
roll
have-
their R's.
We have
Sheesh.
someone from Odisha here. Let's not talk about that.
Okay, fine.
oh
Fair enough.
man.
That's fair enough.
What the fuck?
Arpit, you're gonna regret it, man.
No,
Let's
he's
go,
not.
guys.
He has, as an
So
Odia,
yeah, about
I don't
me.
mind his jokes at
I
all.
was born on 1st March 2000. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1st March 2000. That's 2000. Why did I say it wrong again? Holy shit. Okay, I'm just gonna use my real accent right now. Fuck this shit. तो मैं 2000 में पैदा हुआ था 1 मार्च को 25 दिन पहले 1.5 किलो का ठीक है That's enough details. That is enough details. It was pretty
अबे
easy
यार,
actually.
पानी
You
क्यों
know, like
निकल गया यार?
I was like, you know, that's how I was born. Like, exactly.
God.
25 months before, 25 days before the date, my parents were like, "Pani kyun nikal gaya?" And then I was like, a slip of tongue. That's what I was. Fucking
Okus,
great,
तेरे
you
मुंह-
know. Anyway.
Oh god.
यार मेरे को
Right.
कोरोना हुआ है मेरे को ज्यादा हंसा मत मैं थक जाऊंगा
I'm very sorry, dude. I'm very sorry. I regret doing that.
ah man it's water everywhere Jesus Christ
I
This
would
is your
not
father.
say that's what she said because then you would laugh and then that would be bad.
She said Jesus Christ? Wow, why did you say Jesus Christ though?
The accent changes the personality sometimes. Happens with me. It does.
She says,
You know,
she
like
said Jesus
you know, like sometimes when I'm talking really flowingly in English, I would just say Jesus Christ and the N word. But like when sometimes I'm talking in the Haryanvi accent, I just slap women. It happens. It totally happens. Your personality changes with your accent. It's normal. But anyway, I've never talked in Odia though. Like, what would happen if I talk in Odia?
No, there is another comedian who already is doing that, so you don't have to get it.
Right, my
You're
video
already
will
ahead
go
of
away.
him.
That's what will happen.
Oh my god, okay. Arpit is gonna be so mad. Okay,
Yeah,
he's gonna be
he's
so
gonna
mad at
He
you
wouldn't
because
be.
you screwed it.
He just roasted the shit out of me in the like 1 hour ago. We were doing this podcast shit for it was a parody for Samay Raina that Aapka Jags is doing. He was bullying the shit out of me. But then I did a checkmate on him in chess. So
You guys,
who's the winner?
tell me something. Oh wait, tell me something. You and Arpit usually when you are bullying each other, like speaking about your hairlines, is that one of the best jokes you have to offer, or other better
No.
jokes?
We met one day.
Huh?
Okay? It was his stand up. I've been doing it for a while.
Right.
So immediately I was on this side of the road, he was on that side of the road. Cars were
Huh.
not going because it's late in the night and people don't go out in Delhi. It's Delhi, like, so he's on this side, I'm on this side. We cross roads, we don't make out, which was a bummer for me and for him. But then we went upstairs and we really talked, and apparently hairline jokes came in like I think 15 minutes into talking, and
Huh.
I think we make way better jokes than just the hairline, although it's one of my favorite. But yeah,
Which one? Which one? Whose hairline is your favorite? Yours or his?
none actually. No
What
one's.
none? Yeah, but because you both don't have hairlines, obviously you don't have.
Right.
Like,
So, but yeah, I think the best joke Arpit came up when I was with him. I think it was about bestiality. Yeah. You wouldn't
But
want to
he's a
know,
dog.
honestly.
why would we not want to know? We are not Vedant Rasti.
You wouldn't want to
know
know,
everything.
right?
Why not?
No, we would love to know. Give us the
We
details.
would love to know. Give us the details of the bestiality joke, not anything else.
I've forgotten it. But
That's
it was
a
a
joke.
great one. It was a
Acha,
great joke.
So you said that Arpit has you went to attend Arpit's first stand-up, but you have been doing it for a
for
while.
a while.
For a while,
How
yes.
long? For how long? When did you start?
I was 16 when I had my
And?
first date. Oh wait, what was the question? Fuck. Sorry.
Nice.
So the
Yeah,
question was
jokes. Right.
right. Stand up.
Stand up.
When you
So okay, this is a good story actually. I was in
Huh.
11th. Okay. I used to rap before that. So yeah.
Shit.
Okay. First of all, I should introduce myself. Fuck it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, my name is Aman, and a lot of you might or might not know me as Wahi Funny Wala on social media. But here's the thing. Some people know me because of the jokes I do, and some people think I'm funny. Some people think I'm not funny. But that's not the whole of me, right? I'm
Right.
I'm not some person who makes jokes on the internet. That would be Gyani, I think. Yeah, that would
Who's
be Gyani. I don't
Who's
even
Gyani?
know him, like, exactly.
Does he have
So-
does he have a great hairline?
I don't think so.
Ah, nice one.
I'm
It's a
not
thing
sure.
about it's a thing about people cracking jokes and having there's a lack of hairlines.
Okus, am I right? Anyway, what
Okus,
I'm saying-
Okus doesn't crack any jokes. That's why he has a good hairline because he's not funny at all.
Anyway, so yeah, I think some people know me because I'm funny, and some people know me because they think I'm not. Notice how I said they think. But yeah, other than just jokes, I think jokes are just a byproduct. What I do is, okay, I'll tell you more byproducts. I like making jokes. Okay?
Right.
I like writing stories. I like telling stories. I like to.
Right.
I would want to be a director one day, so I like writing. Not stories exactly, but scenarios and shit. I also like to draw. It's not something I do. Scenarios mostly. But yeah, other than that, I do rapping a little bit on my stories too. Yeah, I think you might have seen it. ठीक है
Yes.
तो yeah, the basic thing behind all of this is that I like to connect things one way or the other, make them funny, make them interesting. Okay? Anything like I hear a news, someone got something like yesterday I read a news about a husband killing his wife and then his daughter, and then committed suicide after calling the grandmother, the sas, what do we call sas in English? I have forgotten.
Mother-in-law.
Anyway, the mother-in-law, right?
Mother-in-law.
He called the mother-in-law, but she didn't pick up because she was playing Candy Crush. Now this is okay. That is a really sad thing. But sometimes I'm not making fun of the death. I'm making fun of the way they died. So yeah, it's hilarious. I just like to connect them. It's a sort of puzzle. Okay? So sometimes they become jokes, which people see on my social media platforms like Instagram and shit. Sometimes they become long length videos that you see on YouTube. Sometimes they become a story that I have
Right.
written, like I wouldn't post it, right? Sometimes they become a part of an idea that I would use someday, in different ways. Yeah, so everything that I make, they're like puzzles, and I solve it and then I put it in different places. That's how it works. So yeah, if you think that I'm Wahi Funny Wala, that's just one part, the one where we make jokes.
Okay.
That's
एंड
about
ये
me.
ये स्टार्ट कब हुआ था स्कूल में जब तूने बोला लाइक
हाँ जी.
यू लाइक स्कूल में there was this particular year
I
where
used
you
to write poems. I wrote a novel. Fuck you. Why did you say novel? No, there's no way I said novel. No way. I'd rather just say wow. You know what?
It's okay.
Fuck it. मैं हिंदी में बात कर रहा हूँ. मैंने एक बार एक किताब लिखी थी, उपन्यास. हमने एक उपन्यास लिखा था 7वीं में. कक्षा 7वीं में हमने एक उपन्यास लिखा था. Notice Hindi is so beautiful. Like you don't need an accent. You are going to speak it the right way.
Yeah.
right
Correct.
because it's your language
हम
right
सिर्फ
because
हिंदी
it's
में
your
बात
language
करेंगे पूरी पॉडकास्ट.
हम
Not
सर
really.
पूरे एंटायर
Is-
अब पूरे
is that-
पॉडकास्ट में सबसे ज्यादा इंग्लिश में अमन ने ही बात की है तो इट्स फाइन नाउ वी गोना हम खाली हिंदी में ही बात करेंगे आपसे बहुत मुश्किल होने वाली मुझे
चलो ठीक है. तो हम ये कह रहे थे कि हमने 7वीं में हम पहले कथाएं लिखते थे और कविताएं लिखते थे
हाँ
लौंडियों के लिए
अच्छा, ऑब्वियसली.
और टीचर्स के लिए भी, बट वो भी लौंडियां ही हैं एट सम पॉइंट. सो
Wow.
the tension is similar, you know.
wow the tension on one side you mean
Right. There's anyway. So yeah, I wrote a upanyas. ठीक है. I was in 7th grade and that's how I started talking with the topper because she found out I was writing a novel. Oh shit, he's a good guy. I must talk to him. And I was like, fine, I'll just give it to her for a read. And then she pointed out the grammatical mistakes, and I realized that I've been using did with the third form of verb.
या इतनी तो
I-
मुझे नहीं आती
ऐसे कि I did not studied.
Oh.
The whole novel, like that was 80,000 fucking words, and everything that did was fucking wrong. And then I realized that I should actually pay attention to padhai. Then after I was done with writing novels, the phase was over. It was never really over. I just write less frequently, but I still do. ठीक है? I started reading. Then I started doing gymnastics for some reason. Yeah, for a girl.
What?
Okay. Yeah, I started doing
for
gymnastics.
some reason what
Yeah, I
for
was
a
good. I
girl
was good in sports. Okay, fuck. I was good in sports बचपन से. ठीक है? Genetics. तो उसमें I was always good, but never thought कि I would actually go out of my way to do it. ठीक है? But
Question.
then I did till
question
zonals
you
and
mentioned it
interzonal.
you mentioned it so specifically that I was good in sports and genetically that makes you sound like you were really good like what do you mean like how good
अब तो मोटा हो
मैं
गया.
100 मीटर भागा था 13 सेकंड में. So that was, I think, that was interzonal level. I think
interzonal
interzonal. Yeah, I think not state, just below it.
wow and what else
What else? Okay, so I started doing gymnastics. This is a cute story. I was good at drawing. ठीक है बचपन में. तो सुबह ना 7 बजे से 9 बजे तक का फ्री पीरियड होता था. क्लासेस 9 बजे से स्टार्ट होती थी. And I didn't know what to do that time. I was fucking around with people, making jokes and shit, banging on desks, banging hands on the benches.
Yeah, obviously.
Although the other one would have been.
great
Who didn't want that? Anyway.
no complaints in that
So
department
yeah, so I started. I went to this art teacher. We were making tits on.
What?
We were making tits.
tits okay
We made
breasts
tits.
okay
Bobbe.
So the
Yeah.
teacher came. Right, that's what you would call it. That's what you would call it.
yeah
So we were making tips, and the teacher came in. But I think I don't know what happened. She found my tits very, not mine, the one I drew, very good looking. That she just said कि तू कल से सुबह drawing करने आएगा. Actually it was a punishment कि सुबह drawing करेगा और art file को ठीक करेगा अपनी. But then I made a sketch, some abstract shit, a cup and something, and she liked it, and she was like, okay, तू तो अच्छा बनाता है, why are you wasting your talent and shit? Send me to a competition, won that bitch like shit, and so I started doing drawing. Okay?
Right.
And I think I didn't reach very far in it, but yeah, why I didn't reach very far in it, because cricket के वो हो गए, क्या होता है, selection होने लग गए स्कूल में. This is 13-year-old. So
Okay.
I went there. I'm shit in cricket. Once I was given a chance to bowl, and I gave 17 wide balls.
In 1 over?
1 over, that's right.
Oh
One
my
fucking-
god.
17.
I was shit in cricket. So I was obviously rejected, but I was super good in athletics. I think second best in my school. The first best in my batch, not the school. In my batch. The first one was this guy who had great stamina. I didn't have stamina, I had speed. I was the fastest in the school. 50 से 100 मीटर के बीच. तो इसलिए मैं
Nice.
बाद में बताऊंगा कि मैं लड़ाई से बच के भाग जाता था. That's going to come later. So yeah, so
Okay.
I was rejected in cricket, but then I won the sports thing, athletics thing, and then the
Right.
sports teacher was like, okay, fine, you are actually not that bad. You are that bad, but not at that bad.
bad.
But anyway,
Huh.
he was Haryanvi. I don't know what he said exactly, but he just called me कि ठीक है अब तू cricket में आ सकता है.
Huh.
Then I went, but then I watched Milkha Singh, man, 2013. Remember? So then I quit. Then I quit, and then I joined athletics, and then we went very far in athletics actually. 400 meter का था मेरा race, and I did it in 59 seconds. That time.
What?
59 seconds, 400 meter. Let me give you the perspective. The record.
I know the perspective. I was a runner in school as well. I know.
48 था, ठीक है, 48, 46. So we were not bad. We were good in athletics. ठीक है, but then after that, in 9th grade, I was also good in studies in 9th, 10th, ठीक है, तो Olympiad
course.
guy. So
Right.
I stopped doing sports and shit. So then I started padhai vadai, and also started writing rap. That's when I was introduced to Eminem and shit. ठीक है?
So you're basically in some sense you're a all-rounder.
Yeah.
Is what you're trying to say.
If you would, yeah, based on my opinions, I'm definitely an all-rounder. But yeah, in these things too, yeah. But it's not really all-rounder, right? I didn't do them all at once. I was just
You are not an all-rounder in cricket for sure.
exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, I was just a bad one.
I was all-round bad. Bowling, batting, wicket keeping, umpiring also.
Right. I wouldn't say I was an all-rounder because I didn't do them all together, right? I was doing
Right.
one, and then I got bored. I skipped, moved to the next one, trying to find
Right.
one thing that I would actually enjoy till without getting bored in the end. Didn't find it. Ended up in studies, started enjoying raps, writing raps, got bored, ended up in comedy. Haven't got bored yet.
I haven't got
This what
bored.
happened when?
that's-
When did you like first
happened
discover
when?
it?
Coming to that, so I was in 9th, I was in 11th, still doing rap. I could do the rap god thing. दीदी तेरी बंदी में वो English वाला okay. Right. I could do that in 150%, like not just 100. So that was very cool. So the seniors knew me because of that. Now
of
this
course.
stand-up comedy thing comes up. I had dengue. Do we call it dengue? Fuck that. No one calls it dengue. That's gay as fuck.
Yeah.
Not that I
Wha-
wouldn't like dengue anyway. God damn it. Anyway, so I was down with fever. I was skipping class. I was also failing because I had big subjects. Wow, did I just say subjects?
Yeah.
big subjects. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. अरे भाई तू
Can we cut this part somehow? Like
probably
I don't know,
not. We're gonna keep.
I'm just gonna cut this part right here. I'd rather just if I could get a better accent, I would be.
See.
If I could exchange a lisp for an accent, I would do it. Fuck it if I'm saying okaf, it's fine.
See, if you're doing this
At least I'm
if you're doing this as an
I have a shitty
if you're doing
accent.
this as an act, That's fine. If you're not, if you have this accent, we don't care. We are fine with it. If you prefer speaking in Hindi, भाई कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. But don't expect long words from me. I can't speak in Hindi properly. Okay, मैं थोड़ा
It's okay,
तपली sir.
August.
Hello.
It's okay, Rao. Sorry.
We know you're from.
Hey, your lips are
Sorry.
distracting, man. Fuck.
तो मैं तो कब से
Man,
बोल रहा हूँ
he-
चुम्मी ले ले.
ठीक है, तो I'm failing. So what happens is कि the senior tells the teacher कि this kid, this Aman Kumar, he's funny
हाँ. Right.
because my raps were funny. ठीक है?
Right.
So she's like, fine, bring him in. I'm absent. 7 days later, I go. There's a team already selected.
Right.
But the seniors tell me, so I go to the teacher, ma'am, I'm actually good with comedy. I'm not. I've never done comedy in my life. Okay? I just went there because the senior, the girl that told her, I liked her. Anyway, I went there. The teacher's like, fine, just write me a set. I
Right.
don't know what set means. So I asked the DD again, ki, what is set? She told me, ki, write jokes now. Gave me 30 minutes. I wrote the fucking shittiest jokes in my life I've ever written. It was about religion, of course.
Of
Have you
course.
changed?
Of course.
So the joke
Of
was
course.
that each religion is a cannibalistic cycle onto the another one. That Indians we worship cow, but the Muslims they eat cow, but they don't eat pig. But you Americans
Christians.
they eat pigs and they eat cow. So I think in the end one of us is going to eat a human, and that would be the final religion. And it was something related to this, and it was yeah. So the teacher was like, fine, he knows what he's doing. He's better than the other guys they were doing Kapil Sharma. The other guy were doing Kapil Sharma, act and shit, mimicry.
Yeah.
So she thought that I'm better and chose me. That's where it started. That's where it all started. Okay?
What? Your affair with your teacher? Oh, wait, sorry. No, that was not.
No, that was the other day.
Talked. That was the other day.
That is a good one. But yeah, that's where writing jokes started.
Right.
That's where I won that competition, by the way. Made a set on Airtel 4G. It was viral those days, you know, that 4G girl.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And
She
Jio
was
just had
fucking
just
hot.
come in. No, what the fuck?
What the hell? Okay.
No.
She wasn't hot. She's
Okas,
hot.
Okas, can you stop licking your finger while you say that, please?
Focus, don't
Can
do
you?
that. Focus, don't. Keep
We
licking.
will get. Keep licking. Oh, yeah, this guy. What the hell? Keep licking.
Anyway, so as I was saying, I won that competition, and that's where I started writing jokes. Also, I failed the exam because I had fever, right? So
Right.
the day I had retest, I also had that competition.
Okay.
So I won the competition. I failed again. So the retest was on the day that I got the prize for it.
Okay.
I have a trophy in my hand, and I'm giving a test alone that I don't know shit about, because I was pretty sure it's not going to happen again. I failed it twice. They're going to skip it. Fuck, I'm just sitting there with a trophy right here and an exam that I don't know shit about. Failed that shit with grace.
That's just. But was that your moment when you realized
was
कि
my
ये नहीं
moment.
करना?
So
But
my
no,
No,
नहीं
but
करना.
when did you realize, like, okay, you know what, I actually really enjoy this? Because this was the first time you actually written jokes. So, like, you know what, I really enjoy the process of
I
writing.
didn't. Yes, I'll tell you what. When the jokes, this first set was done now, I was on stage, Symbiosis Law College.
Hmm.
50, 60 schools were there. No, 5-6 schools were there and 50, 60 students were there.
Yeah.
And their teachers.
Okay.
Hmm.
They laughed the shit out of it. On
Wait.
my set.
No. How old were you then?
16.
And what
What?
set is it? Is the same set
You
about the
performed on
religion?
stage.
Not the religion one. The joke was about 4G girl. It was about the Jio 4G is a 5-star hotel. It was an analogy. I still do it. Okay? The Jio 4G thing is a 5-star hotel who is selling a super expensive gajar ka halwa. But Jio just comes in with a thela right in front of it and starts selling the same halwa
Yeah.
for free. So of course they're going to buy it more. That was the analogy, and I had jokes surrounding it.
Right.
Okay?
Right.
People laughed so much. I was on stage. I realized, fine, I might actually be onto something. But I don't really have a moment as such. I was just waiting to get bored and move on, like I've always done.
But you haven't.
Haven't so far.
But
Is it getting more and more interesting by the day for you?
I don't think so. I'm getting more and more predictable, by the way. Am I right, Okas? Like you can predict right now. I'm looking at your lips and using my left hand to eat.
Okay. But no, so okay. So do you think you by predictable, do you mean that you're getting worse?
No. Predictable not to others. Fuck this, dude. I'm getting predictable to myself. Did I
And
say
you don't
wrong?
like it?
No.
Why? Why is that?
I don't like it because why do I not like it?
What do you mean? First of all, what do you
What
mean
do
by
you
you
mean
getting predictable to
predictable?
yourself? To yourself, what do you mean? Obviously, you were writing the jokes, right? What do you mean you're not all your jokes are not spontaneous, right? Most of it is written down, right?
No.
So what do you mean by getting?
No, most of my jokes are spontaneous. The stories are spontaneous. That's why I do stories so that I get 5 seconds to think and then I speak. They're never written.
Right. Okay.
I'm getting predictable, as in that I am not able to make jokes that I wouldn't. I would think that I should not be able to make.
Okay.
I'm completely lost. Explain. Easy.
When I was 16, I'm sitting on a table, empty classroom, making a joke, reading it and realizing it. Fuck, this is genius, and then telling it to everyone in the school.
Right.
Doesn't happen anymore.
But that's the cycle of it. You obviously won't enjoy what you do.
Right. That's the shit. That's why, exactly those words. You wouldn't enjoy what you do. Is why I'm changing the way I make shit.
Yeah.
I recently discovered nihilism.
Oh shit, what's up?
Right.
Nihilism.
So shut the
Nihilism.
fuck up, Katak. Nihilism.
It's called nihilism. You don't.
Okay,
You
Udaisa.
don't say
fine. Okay, Udaisa.
You don't say.
Here's
You
the
don't
thing.
say he. You don't say he. One place you're not gonna say he.
I'm enjoying every bit of it. Yes, please.
So,
But yeah, it's called nihilism. Say
okay,
nihilism.
now you're humiliating me. But anyway, as I was saying, that when I discovered nihilism, I realized, fuck this. Doesn't matter. No predictability matters. I'm just gonna do what I enjoy, and then I made a really cool video where I'm doing Doraemon gadget review and puking on my table.
Yeah.
Gold. I loved making it. Okay? I just do what I love doing. That's about it. That's how it's always been. I get bored, I move on. Which is bad, really bad, I think. Right?
But you haven't moved on yet. I think, जब हम लोग छोटे रहते हैं, we are very gullible, and that's why we pick stuff and leave stuff, pick stuff and leave stuff, because as a kid हमारा brain is more open to the new ways and new stuff in the environment.
Right.
You mean very fickle.
Yeah, very
That could
fickle.
be
Correct.
बहुत easy. हाँ.
So,
Yes,
yeah.
that could be true. That could be true. But the thought that this is the last station is kind of boring. Makes me want to skip again.
I don't think it's the last station.
Yeah.
But-
I don't think either. I think you're doing great for your age.
Yeah.
You're doing really really well. And इसके ऊपर मेरे को actually एक सवाल था कि we wanted your perspective on when people like us sometimes being the pseudo intellectuals that me
What
and
do you
Okas
mean
are
people
on
like
this
us?
like people like us as in me and Okas, the pseudo intellectuals that we are in this podcast, this entire podcast scenario. Sometimes we talk about कि अच्छा this is funny, this is not funny, this is funny, this is not funny. What do you think? Like what is your take on that?
Yeah.
कि
What's funny and what's unfunny?
Interesting. मान ले तेरे घर में अच्छा okay, if you're discussing what's funny, what's not funny, that's completely fine. I think everyone should discuss what's funny, what's not funny. It's fine, it's on you. But if you're talking about broadcasting what's funny, what's not funny, I think that whole thing is funny in a way. सोच तेरे घर के बाहर कोई समोसे बेच रहा है, ठीक है? तेरी गली के तू समोसे बेचता है, ठीक है? You're from Cuttack, right? तो मान ले तू समोसे बेचता है, ठीक है?
right.
और तेरी गली के बाहर तू जिस गली में जा रहा है वहाँ पे 4 लोगों को समोसे पसंद है पर एक बंदे को नहीं पसंद.
हाँ.
और वो एक बंदा चूतिया रोज तेरे ठेले के पास आके बोलता है भाग मुझे समोसे नहीं पसंद. So are you going to
Stop. You're not. Of course not.
and like okay now imagine he has really big lips and now he says मुझे समोसे नहीं पसंद. Are you going to stop now?
Nope.
Focus
Still
तेरा
not.
career खत्म. That's it.
I haven't yet called anybody unfunny, man. It's the other way
Right?
around.
You haven't. Exactly why I
Okas,
think
you are the
this-
I think
exactly
I think
why
you are the
I think
person.
Okas is Okas is better than anyone else doing the same thing.
Thank
because
you.
he hasn't really called anyone unfunny.
He hasn't. I thought Okus is the one who invented the word unfunny.
Okay,
No?
he may
Who
have,
invented
he may
this?
have, but इसने कभी किसी के समोसे की बुराई नहीं की उसके पास जाके. That's the
Okay.
more important thing.
Okus तेरे को समोसे पसंद है? तेरे को
I
समोसे
love
पसंद है?
samosa. I love samosa.
You
More
like
than vada
समोसे,
pav.
Aman? तेरे को
I
समोसे
love
पसंद है?
samosa की चटनी on Okas के lips. That's what I love.
Hey, let's go.
What
but
the hell is
no,
going
but I'm
on?
very interested in something that you and I have talked about this. You and I have talked about. I have a problem with humor. ठीक है, and I'm gonna explain the क्या कहते हैं audience first.
Okay.
What I have problem with humor, especially internet humor, is it stems from a very negative place. So whenever I see jokes being made on the internet, it's a lot of time it's मैं single हूँ या मैं depressed हूँ या I want to kill myself. Yeah, all of this very negative shit. And I feel like when you're in that space, you cannot be happy what you're doing. Do you think that's just what humor is? Like, you cannot, because humor stems from trauma, right?
Okus is trying to ask a serious question, and meanwhile, Aman is just churning out every single food item that there is in front of him. Like, सब खाऊंगा ये question
Okus,
बहुत
that is a beautifully
structured question.
sentence, structured question. I appreciate you
Katak.
asking that. But you know, I'm really just buying time to think.
Of course he is.
Humor does stem from trauma. It is true. I think it's almost universal. But the fact that humor comes from a negative place, but it doesn't have to be a
Negative in
shade,
itself.
you know?
Right.
Light can come out of a negative place too.
Right.
Oh, fine. Right there.
Wow.
Anyway,
I mean, okay.
So poetic. क्या
right.
बात है?
So yeah, I think humor almost a lot of time comes from a negative place, but it doesn't always have to throw shade. In India, if you're talking about कि yeah, मैं single हूँ, मैं ये हूँ, so if you see, most of the time they are trying to accept the fact that they're single and being happy with it.
Right.
Unless of course you're talking about like never mind, I'm not gonna throw shade while talking about not throwing shades. Fuck.
Why?
No, do
Why
it,
not?
do it, go ahead.
Go on.
Nah,
You want us
let's-
to? So see, we'll cut it out if you want, but at
it's
least
fine,
let us
it's fine.
hear
You don't have to cut anything out. I will not say
Okay.
the N-word.
it. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So yeah, so I think humor doesn't have to always throw shade, but even
Right.
in the cases that it does throw shade, here's the rule: it has to be 4 times funnier than it is offensive. Simple rule. Simple. This is how it works: 2 times or 4 times, whatever you want. It has to be funnier than it is offensive. If you follow this one rule properly, if I come here and say girls don't deserve human rights. Okay, that's funny to me. Fuck. But now this is not funny, right? But if I just restructure it to make it funnier than it is offensive. Now, okay, this is the idea for my next reel, but I'm just gonna say it right here. Aajkal I've been watching these reels. Now this is where I wanted to say I'm not going to throw shade, but now I'm going to. But I'm not throwing shade, okay? I'm just exploring.
Yeah.
Nowadays, I
Sure.
see this reels kind of thing where people bring in their dadi and then make them watch girls with short clothes. And
Oh
the
my
dadi is
God! I know
looking
who
for-
you're throwing the shade at.
No,
My
no,
God.
no, not her. Not her.
Not her?
She
How do you know who I'm
recently
talking
DM'd
about?
me.
Not her, man. Fuck. But that, which is why I haven't made it yet because it's
You
too
just
direct.
you
And-
also released the. You also told the gender of the person,
Mother.
not her.
Anyway, so the joke here is the girl comes in, oh look, I'm going to show you my dadi, and the dadi is in a dadi accent. Girls don't deserve human rights, and then the girl goes like, oh, I'm so quirky, right? So here I'm making fun of the dadi and not actually the facts. So here the same joke, ki girls don't deserve human rights, becomes funny because the dadi said it. We changed the context, we twisted it. Now it's funnier than it is offensive. People will laugh at it. Which is how we discover and which is how we change things. I think.
I have a very interesting. The reason I talked about this question is Mark Twain, who's a humorist, writer, person, big person. He said that this fucking guy. Don't don't let me be serious for 1 second. He said it. Humor doesn't exist in heaven. And what I was trying to say is,
Because we all go to hell. Fuck.
no, because like when you're truly, but he kind of said it, like when you're truly happy, and that's what heaven is, that where you're truly content, fulfilled, and happy. You don't need to use your humor as a coping mechanism for your trauma.
That sounds very boring. Firstly, क्या was the description
Yeah.
of heaven?
Yeah,
Well,
heaven.
truly content and happy and
honestly, I think Bible says gay people are not going to heaven, and I'm going to hell, and so are gay people. I think hell is a lot more fun. I'm going to make jokes. I'm going to offend gay people, and then the cycle continues. I think this is hell, man. Fuck.
Yeah, I mean that's a theory that Earth is actually hell. But regardless, I'm interested in your writing. You don't write. You're telling me you don't write your jokes?
I do write, but I mostly write out of the necessity
Spite.
that because I will forget. But I generally I just go off the top.
Mm.
do you
Off
usually
the
or
top.
so wait. When you say that you do write
But
as
out
a
of
necessity,
not as a process.
Yeah, I
but
understand.
As a necessity, the fuck, dude,
हाँ,
this is good. I
भूल
will
जाऊंगा.
forget it. I must write it.
so you write it down or you record it as a voice note or something,
I
or both?
over here. It's in the notes. Depends.
Yeah. Okay.
You know.
So
I
you're
do write it
constantly
down.
thinking about jokes then, like throughout your day?
Not really, but like they come up, right?
Right.
I'm thinking about things, and then a joke comes
Right.
up. Ki, fuck, this could
Yeah.
be funny in that way. Like recently, I was I have forgotten it, but I may have written it down, so I will read it. I will check it. Fine. I just read something somewhere, and it's funny, and I catch the idea. Ki, fuck, this is funny, and then I'm cycling. There's a board over there that says something really stupid, and then I'm like, fuck, this is good, but I keep cycling and I forget it. Right, so the joke came itself. I wasn't thinking about it. I was just reading stuff, right? That's how it
Right.
works.
Right.
I think it works like that with everyone, right?
Yes.
No,
The
no.
joke comes up and then we write it down.
I wouldn't know, and Okus definitely wouldn't.
No, I'm
Focus,
like just
I
the
think focus-
ideas.
I think Okus is catching. His lips are not moving as much as they did before. When
I mean,
Okus के
It happens.
एकदम constant हो जाए ना, तो तू सोच ले वो सोच रहा है कुछ.
Oh, I like how he notices. उसने 2-4 बार ऐसी चीजें कर दी. अगर ओकस हाई पिच में बात करने लगेगा, that means he's like, what was the thing?
Excited.
Nah, I think it was कि when you're wrong you start talking in high pitch.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Which
It's
is
true.
actually true. Which is actually psychologically true. When we lie, we the pitch of our voice goes higher, and when we're
Not
telling the
pitch.
truth, like watch me right now.
Hmm.
If I tell me if I'm lying or if I'm telling the truth. Girls deserve human rights. What?
Aman, do you love me?
Yes.
See? Wow. But okay.
Okus ऐसा मैं
So, yeah,
ऐसा तो मैं
it is
ऐसा मैं भी
actually
कर
true.
सकता
अच्छा.
Yeah, it's-
हाँ, but what he means is कि हाँ, when you have different ideas, like story writing के लिए हो गई, script के लिए हो गई,
Take-
that also
I
happens.
just-
You have
I
this.
just discover ideas. I just discover puzzles. That's
Right.
what I like to do, and then they
Right.
become different things. Sometimes they become jokes. Sometimes they become reels. Sometimes they become stories. Sometimes they become a YouTube video. Sometimes I just write them down for a novel, for an idea, for a poem, or I just DM it to someone, and it's really smooth, and I get ghosted for fuck's sake, bitch. Fuck you, Banye. I hate you. Anyway.
Bye.
अरे यार.
Acha.
Nice.
So one question to away from this. So are you really fun at dates? What's the feedback on that?
He's still virgin, man.
My brother is out there, man. Fuck.
So
But
what?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I wouldn't say it myself, but the last one I was. But in the last one I was.
What does that mean?
Well, I wouldn't tarif myself, right?
That's
Why
fine.
would you
It's person behind the persona. That's all we do. Apparently in the comment section, that's all we do. We hyper ourselves, right? So you can go
here's
there.
the thing,
go there.
guys.
This is your window to do it. This is your only window to do it. You will never be able to do it after that. I'm telling you this. यहाँ पे यही करते हैं सब. Me and
Should
Okus,
I-
we just hype each other up. That's
Should
what
I
we do.
take
So
the higher road here, or should I just
No,
go on
no, just-
complimenting myself?
yes, you should. Because you have been doing that for the honestly you have been doing that for the last 35 minutes. If you didn't notice, I am an all-rounder. I was great in this, I was great in that, I was great in this, I was great in that. You've been doing that anyway, so
Dude,
why didn't you go
honestly,
ahead and
I was just telling you about myself, but if it's a compliment to myself, I think that's a coincidence.
That's a win-win as well, because that's what we need.
The only person I was complimenting is Okus ke lips. They're a different person from Okus.
Yeah.
I think Okus has a different person for his lips, and they're hot.
What do you think? Why do you think we named the podcast "Person Behind the Persona"? Who is the person in that?
मैं बताता हूँ. एक बात बताओ, तुम में से
हाँ.
which one of you wants to be a father more?
Father more.
Let me rephrase it. Let's say one of you is infertile. ठीक है? Now in that case, which one of you is willing to let their girlfriend do the change partner with each other? A little person behind the persona shit. I don't know. Which one of you is willing to do that? Because you want to be a father more.
I would just adopt a kid. Why would I do that?
There's that.
He doesn't love you, man. He doesn't love you.
He doesn't love you, man.
But I think you really call it person behind the persona because whenever you say P, the lips touch so much, and I think it's really great when Okus says person. Okus, एक बार बोलियो अपने podcast का नाम and थोड़ा पास आके बोलियो.
Person behind the persona.
Shit, his lips keep touching at every P, and I'm like, fuck.
Man, Aman.
Raf, do you have a girlfriend, man?
Yeah, multiple.
I used to.
I love her, man. Fuck. Oh fuck, you don't have it. Shit.
Yeah, I don't have
It's
it.
alright.
it's an it. You've objectified women in the podcast. Literally objectified
Turns
women.
out
You
we
called.
do have to cut something after all.
This is
Ladies
none
are
of
on.
None
Brian.
of this is cutting out. Nothing
Brian,
is
you're not
like,
cutting
you
anything.
can post it. Women know I love them. That's not a difference.
Of course.
It doesn't make.
And
anything
some
worse.
men, and you don't like men in general.
I don't.
Men and dogs.
Here's
That's
the
okay.
reason why. All right. If I say women are bad drivers, anyway, all the women are going to come together, disagree with me, and bash the shit out of me. Will they not? Will they not?
Yep, probably.
They will. Now,
Probably.
if I say all men are trash, or if a woman says all men are trash, I bet you my Okus's lips. At least 10% boys are going to just agree with the girl or even the guy. Like they are going to
10%?
agree. Yeah, man.
I think-
that's fucking true. Which is exactly why we are trash, man. We don't have any unity over women, man. Fuck. You guys are.
We don't
trash.
have men only have unity when it comes to saving women. Achha, wait, sorry. That is not how. Sorry. It's not how things work. That is not the purpose of the army, guys. The army is not
Let's
here to
not
protect.
talk about army. You're from Odisha. Come on.
Exactly.
Oh my
We should-
God.
But why can't we talk about Odisha and army? We have a
I think
battalion.
उड़ीसा ही है ना वो नक्सलाइट्स वाली जगह उड़ीसा ही है ना जो कटा था अभी बीच से. What was that? Odisha and what was that? Odisha 2.0? What do we call it?
There is no Odisha 2.0. Odisha was not the one which was cut off in between.
Which
What
one
the
was
hell?
cut off then? Fuck.
Even split. I talk about Andhra
Telangana,
Pradesh.
Yeah, right.
Telangana and Andhra Pradesh.
Right.
Yeah.
Who cut Telangana?
Who cut
Telangana is
Telangana?
There's a
Yeah,
different
Telangana
place
is
in
it.
India, man. Telangana, right?
Telangana is where I live. Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Is Hyderabad is in Telangana.
But
Telangana.
earlier it was one place. What was it?
Yes, Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. Oh shit. So you're from Andhra Pradesh.
No, I'm from Telangana.
See,
So, wasn't.
Now Andhra Pradesh is different, no? अब ऐसा हो गया.
that's unfortunate.
But I'm from Hyderabad, so that's fine.
But all of
It's a
that
grace.
trouble, but you guys like still have bad weather. Fucking.
Odisha,
waves.
yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. We have
It
very
just
bad
moved out.
cyclones. We should have. I mean, why do you think I am so desperate to go back to Hyderabad the entire
You are?
time?
I think
I'm
you should
hoping
come
my
to
mother-
my place.
I think my mother should not see this podcast. No, I'm not
We
coming
can
to Delhi.
thirst over Okus's lips together.
No, I'm done with that. I've had enough of it for a very long time. Okay, it's like, भाई क्या चल रहा है भाई?
I
No,
would
I
never
love
get
this.
enough of it.
I love this.
You will never get in a what?
Enough
Enough
of
of Okus's lips, man. Of course. Okus, you should do a mango maza ad. That's what you should do.
See,
And
the thing
instead
is,
of the mango, it should be your lips. And instead of
His-
also Katrina Kaif, it should be your lips. I think there should be
Just
an ad
lips.
for your lips.
Nice.
Okay, so can we get like a Vaseline or like some Pond's ka?
I mean, if
Pro
there is
sponsor.
yeah, that's what I'm thinking. If there is any
Okay.
company out there,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move back to questions. Enough time
Yeah.
wasting.
Huh. No more questions. Now you're free to do whatever. I basically wanted to know ki, since you're such a funny person,
Right.
how is your interaction on dates? Because women keep saying that they like funny men.
Right. Okay, so here's the thing. My interaction has been not overwhelmingly good as I would imagine in my head, but I think that's everyone's case.
What is overwhelming? What is the standard of overwhelmingly
Like
good?
I walk in there and I just
You're
tell her,
banging. You're
ki
banging on the table. You're banging on the table.
we're making out on the table. That's the ideal
acha,
date,
okay.
right? That
Right.
never
Right.
happened.
Wow.
That never
Okay.
happened. I
Why?
hope if you're funny enough, if it could happen, but it hasn't. So the only calculation I make is maybe I'm not funny enough. But turns out maybe that's not true. But yeah, so if you ask me how has been my interaction, it has been above average. That's how I would scale myself.
how many dates have you been?
7 this year, 7 to 8. I actually counted Subha because I knew
Oh,
this
wow.
question will come up. I
Oh,
had
nice.
7, no, not 7 this year, 7 in 19.
Oh,
7 in
And this year?
19 and 1 in this, 2 in this year. And
Great.
one ghosted. One of us. I'm not going to say who. Last
You
week.
you probably ghosted then.
No.
no,
Why?
no,
Fuck,
he's
why
not.
did you tell?
No. And how is your interaction with?
Honestly, she missed out.
Yeah,
She
yeah,
did.
no, she did
I
definitely.
curated good jokes for her, man. Fuck.
110%, man. She missed out. I would have gone on that date. What?
Yeah.
Honestly,
Sure, why not?
Honestly, I would have taken you out.
Yeah, sure.
you should read the comments. Girls simp for Rav like anything.
That is not.
Right.
That is not true.
You
That's true,
you wanna
that's true,
bet?
that's true.
You wanna bet, motherfucker? I will read the comments of the previous podcast right now.
Not right
have,
now, but-
I have noticed. Okay, I have noticed. That's why I'm focusing all the attention to Ocus's lips.
Thank you.
Ra will get
Because
no
then-
chicks out of this.
No, that's
Okay.
impossible.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, right. So,
How is your interaction
if you're actually
in?
interested, like I think Rav is actually interested on a more personal level. Ki how has my interaction?
No,
been?
no, no, no.
I'm gonna give you a tip,
because
dude. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if you're funny or not. If you're
no, I don't need a tip. I'm fine. But like my next question was, I asked the female question first. Now I'm gonna ask you the male question. Because it's very different interaction when it comes to guys, right? So in a social circle, does it really help you? Being funny really helps you.
not
It doesn't.
once. Not once.
What are you saying?
Wait. Repeat the question.
एक social scenario में does it help you make friends and contact very
Yes.
easily?
Yes.
It does, right? On a very
Super
strong
easy.
level.
It makes
does,
super easy.
right?
It makes it super, it's almost a cheat, okay? It's almost a cheat.
Exactly.
But you have to be likable too, na? Like I have made more haters than friends because this Muslim friend of mine, Bilal, hi Bilal, if you're watching this, I know you are. Hated me. He hated me because I made a lot of Muslim jokes, and
Right.
he was just fed up. He got up, he just slapped me on the face, and he was like, "Enough of your religion jokes." And then he started flipping his notebook for something, and I said, "Bar bar flip mat kar, it's not namaz." That's where it stops. That's where it's anyway. So yeah, we're friends now. We are obviously, but we had this promise ki I will only make political jokes in front of you, no more religion jokes. So yeah, if you are likable in the first place and funny, you are going to make shitload of friends. But if you make jokes that not very easy, you have to put a lot of filters. You have to say things that you wouldn't say to yourself. कि मैंने साइंस लिया, साइंस ने मेरा लिया. Hi, I'm Aman.
यार mom man.
And I'll give you the literal actual real life example. In 2017, I had this inter-school comedy show.
Right.
ठीक है, I was in school, but I was writing rants. ठीक है, proper racism पे था वो set. And I guess who I stood second. ठीक है, but second with 2 chicks in my contact list. But I'm going to tell you 2 jokes. ठीक है, you have to guess who was the winner and who was second, who was the runner-up.
Oh.
ठीक है, the first joke is a Chinese guy comes in, offers sir चाय दे दूं. he says okay दे दो चीनी वाली, he says नहीं मेरे को इंडियन पसंद है. चीनी is Chinese in Hindi.
No,
ठीक है?
yeah,
And
got it.
ओकस समझ में आ रहा है?
Yeah,
ओकस समझ में आ
yeah.
रहा
the other joke was मैंने साइंस लिया, साइंस ने मेरा लिया. Guess who won?
है. I don't know.
You know what?
Science
I
guy.
think. Oh no way.
So I went. So the judges were winers. I think both of you know her, and we all know her. ठीक है? She's a winner from Delhi on YouTube. Yeah, related
Who?
to the word you said. But so I went there. I asked her, ki, what the fuck? Everyone loved my set better. The audience. ठीक है?
Hmm.
So I went to her. So she said ki, you know, your jokes are very high level and you should do it on a bigger stage. That's what she said. and I
Right.
thought.
You should. You should.
So
Is
I
it the-
think
Is it the girl
I
that
think-
DM'd me?
no.
No. Okay.
What is this going on, guys?
No, she has
You
DM'd
got
you
the-
as well, Rav.
So the moral of the story that if you're likable and you make good
Yeah.
jokes, fine jokes,
Right.
it's going to get you places. But if you are like corny and you make corny jokes, you won't make friends. I personally, I think if I would fall on likable who makes corny jokes. ठीक है? तो
Your
I
jokes
just
are not
hold on to
corny
the
though.
jokes. You know, then you're just not close enough.
Oh.
What?
All right. I see
That's
how
not
it
true.
is.
That's not true. But in real life, I have to put a lot of filters to be able to.
And is that frustrating after a while?
I think no, not really, because we have some friends, right, with whom we can actually unfilter it. So,
So-
it's not really for us.
So what do your
Do you think in
filter-
your-
no what do your filter friends think about the content that you post online? Because that shit is not filtered at all.
Unfollowed me.
Oh.
One of them, obviously, one of them, and like she was very important, but she unfollowed me. Fine, fine, I guess. It's alright. Hate baniye, man.
Oh. That's where the bunny hate comes from.
A lot,
baniye.
not just that. There are a lot more incidents.
I see. But
You think I would? You think I would make a generalization based on just one incident? You're damn right I would, but I just happen to have more.
Do you think you'll in open mics you get to remove a lot more filters?
When I was in my first open mic, I couldn't say galiyan because I was shy. But now I think since then I have been able to do a lot of unfiltered ones.
Right.
But I also make sure कि मेरे जो making filtered jokes is a skill in itself. ठीक है? What do you think? कि कपिल शर्मा को नहीं आता होगा बेटी बेच दूंगा तेरी जोक्स, उसको नहीं आता होगा, या भुवन बाम को नहीं आता होगा रेप जोक्स, या आशीष चंचलानी को नहीं आता होगा bestiality जोक्स, खैर उसको नहीं आता होगा.
Wow, Okas is screwed. Ashish,
I
Ashish,
just checked it. आशीष चंचलानी का एक दोस्त है ना वो मूंछों वाला.
कौन सा?
Not the one with the stupid name, one with the normal name.
Okas's face is pura dumbfounded. He's like, I'm so screwed. Ashish is gonna get me.
Point is, he's not going to watch it till here. He doesn't love you that much, Okas. Come on. Just because you have good lips
He's
doesn't
a-
mean they're going to watch the whole thing. But
He's a fan.
The point being, but the point being, don't worry. मैं उसकी बेइज्जती नहीं कर रहा. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि वो लोग smart है.
हाँ.
Analogy. वो लोग smart है. उनको आते हैं obviously ये जोक जो हम openly मार रहे हैं ना, उनको सबको आते हैं. ठीक है? मैं कि बेटी बेच दूंगा, कपिल शर्मा को 10 बार आया होगा बेड पे बैठे बैठे और हंसते हुए. ठीक है? लेकिन उसने नहीं मारा क्योंकि उसको पता है कि audience is a part of your joke as much as the
Right.
joke in itself.
Right.
ठीक है?
Right.
तो if I just come on a stage and I say women don't deserve human rights, it's not going to work. ठीक है? But if I come on a stage and I say women take too long to pee, man, what the fuck? It might work. It might work some places. It might not work. But if I come on a stage and I say I love women, it's going to work. So you see how audience plays a very important part. In the joke.
How do you gauge your audience?
क्या?
तू अपने ऑडियंस को गॉज कैसे करता है, मेजर कैसे करता है कि हाँ ये ऑडियंस ऐसी है, इसके लिए इनके लिए ऐसे जोक्स हैं? How do you like calibrate? You don't calibrate?
I tried a lot. Tried, tested. Last year I had a different page for it. 4,000 followers. Got zooked. I don't give a fuck. I make what I like making. I make what comes in my mind. That's it. You see, Kusha Kapila. We have Ankush Bahuguna. Why do you think they're? A lot of people say they're not funny, right? I see a lot of people saying that they're not funny, but honestly, their audience are a part of their joke, और वो उनके समोसे खरीद रहे हैं. तो I think they're perfect, they're funny, they are actually talented, and they're doing good.
And it
But-
also, like, I've seen this go, like, now that you've brought it up, I might as well add on to it. I've seen this, like, they don't enjoy it themselves, but the more I've talked to
Their
these
content.
the more I've talked to these people and the more I've engaged in their community, they do enjoy what they're making. So it's
We sit out here with thinking, normie joke. Man XP के office जा. They're having the time of their life, man. It's the ideal job, for fuck's sake.
correct.
So honestly, dude, I think if you're making offensive jokes, it's on you. You brought it up. You took the easier way out.
Yeah.
Because I have tried it, okay? Here's the thing. All my reels are just experiments. I don't post jokes on reels. These are just bunch of experiments I do. So first joke I made was it was a rape joke. 40,000 views, pehli reel. Okay, worked fine. Did it 8 more times, overused it. Okay? Moved forward. Tried different type of content, dank and memes sort of shit. It was fine. And then after like last month, I decided ki fuck it. I've been watching the reels. I think I should try this normie humor. It seems just fine. What's wrong with it? Started making stupid reels. Jatayu Jai Shri Ram. We both know where it went.
5 million views.
So 5 million who went. So that's how it works. Audience are a part of your joke, and if you are actually talented, you will make them laugh in the normie parts too.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I've realized. I think making, and correct me if I'm wrong, making offensive jokes is easier to make than making smart normie jokes.
Exactly. When we make offensive jokes, na, people are laughing at the content and how we are able to say that on the stage.
Oof निकल जाता है.
That factor. That factor is also there.
And
Correct,
we think,
correct.
oh shit, I'm so funny. That's not true.
Yeah.
If I out here say women don't deserve human rights, I've been saying it too much for it to be a joke. God damn. See, now you're laughing. Now both of you are this was the joke. Now both of you are laughing because you think, fuck, how did he say that on stage? But if I actually had a little effort put in, I could make a little non-offensive joke, non-edgy joke, safer side, and make it funny. Then you have to focus on your delivery. Now I'm talking technical parts of the jokes, but delivery is really important. Do you think Abhishek Upmanyu doesn't make offensive jokes? But what's famous? Oh, he aa gaya swad. Why? Because he delivered, he practiced it.
And how do you practice delivery?
I practice
When you-
delivery by copying other people's set and then making my version of it.
How?
Fuck, why
Explain.
did I tell this? Oh, I started with Biswa Kalyan Rath. ठीक है? He had a very distinctive accent, first one of his kind after Carrie Minati. ठीक है? तो his accent was कि अरे ये मैंने कैसे किया? Some shit like this, ठीक है?
Yeah.
So I thought कि fine, if I write these jokes down,
Yeah.
I wouldn't be able to get the accent, and then I have to
Right.
make these jokes. These jokes are already funny. We know that. We have established that. So we cut out, we circumvent the main factor. And then we go on to state up making the joke ourselves. It's a good cheat to figure out why you're not delivering the same joke which already has worked. Some people might call it, you're copying, but like, I'm practicing, dude. Fuck you. Okay? So that's how it works. So once you have figured out to make a funny joke, funny in your words, that's when you become that's where your delivery is perfect.
If someone takes your jokes and changes the delivery of
They
those
ruin
jokes,
it. Every time someone has taken my joke, they fucking ruin it. No one has, I haven't encountered, maybe I'm not famous enough, or
So-
I don't know enough people. My audience is 15-year-old wannabes. That's true. And
Wow.
15-year-old wannabes and Ocus. All that is true. But the thing is, no one so far has copied my joke and made it better than me.
if they
Or-
manage to do it, what would you say? Would you also say
Follow
fuck
back.
you then?
Follow back.
No fuck yous.
I follow back. They're funny then.
Wow.
Interesting. With that said and done, okay, we have nothing more, no more questions. And
Huh.
at this point,
Would you like to try some jokes on us, please? Or
Go-
we have to pay for it? If you see, we can pay for your Zoom call. We are waiting for it for so long. You're not hosting it.
Yeah, yeah,
What
yeah,
the hell, man?
I wasn't confident enough, to be really honest.
I don't understand what you're waiting for. It's a
Discussed it.
trial set. It's a trial set.
Yeah, just get over with.
I
get
will.
it over
I
with.
will. Don't worry. Now that this is done, I'm going to release a few more sketches. See, I am fucking awkward in front of the camera.
Hmm.
I know you.
No.
You guys might find. Yeah, right. Exactly. That's how you believe. This is not a camera, right? I say in front of it. I say it's dumb shit, funny shit. It's super easy. But when you put an actual camera like this in front of you, and then you come in to act, it's fucking awkward. You have to maintain your body
I
language.
fucking know
and
what
dumb
you're
But
shit
you were
like that.
great.
I
You were
wasn't.
great right now.
Oh.
You were great. Okus, he's asking you.
Oh no, I'm asking you, Rav, man. Come on. I wouldn't
Me?
ask Okus out.
Me,
I would
I'm
just
already
kiss him in his
preoccupied.
sleep. I would just
I'm
kiss
very-
Okus in his sleep and then kiss him again, I guess. And then I would just sneak out without him. No, actually, you know what? I would
How
wake him
romantic.
up. I would wake him up while I'm kissing him so that he realizes
Wow.
what's happening to him and he continues, hopefully. But if he doesn't, that doesn't matter now. I'm in control of it. I'm going to tell you about the most untouched part of comedy, the BDSM of humor. It's called aristocrat jokes. No one in India has heard of it, no one relevant at least.
Huh.
And if you have heard of it, you are too mature to be here. ठीक है? So basically, the aristocrat joke originates from a really cute story. It's the origin of irony. When earlier peasants and kings used to be like living in their kingdoms and shit ना, तो the king used to hold a show, ठीक है, जहाँ पे सारे अमीर के चौदे आते थे और अमीरों के चौदे वाले प्ले बनाते थे और किंग को एंटरटेन करते थे. Basically, Carrie Minati and his no, Ashish, fuck it, I won't use that. Basically, famous content creator and his audience, ठीक है, और पीछे बैठी होती थी पीजेंट्स की आर्मी, पूरा गांव जो देख के क्रिंज कर रहा होता था. बेसिकली हम लोग. सो दे डिसाइडेड टू मेक द एरिस्टोक्रेट जोक्स. द एरिस्टोक्रेट्स, they used to copy them and then they would use to make grievous jokes about bestiality, sodomy, rape and what fucking not, and they would end it saying these are the aristocrat jokes. So everything goes on the aristocrats, but they're actually the most famous, it's a movie. In 2017 they released a movie, The Aristocrat Joke, where all the comedians made their version of the joke. How the joke goes is XYZ walks into a talent show, ठीक है, ये एंट्री पॉइंट होता है जोक का. मिडल इज द पार्ट वेयर यू इंट्रोड्यूस योर क्रिएटिविटी एंड मेक फन ऑफ द एरिस्टोक्रेट्स बाय
Right.
मेकिंग जोक्स अबाउट रेप, सॉडमी, बिस्टियलिटी, ऑल द हॉरिफाइंग थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू. ठीक है, एक ग्रुप आता है टैलेंट शो में, वो क्या करता है, बहुत बुरी चीजें करता है, एंड इन द एंड ही वॉक्स अप टू द जज, ही राइट्स एंड द जज सेज ये क्या था, व्हाट डू यू इवन कॉल such a performance, and then he walks up to the bar and he says the aristocrats. That's the ending of the joke. So I made my version of aristocrat jokes ki a mukbang family walks into XYZ. I am a part of them. I rape them the same way they eat food, eat the sea creatures. And I made jokes about, it was about a man, ठीक है? There a bunch of mukbang artists walk into a talent show. I am one of them.
Right.
I rape them while they make the same sounds that they made during their mukbangs. Shit like this. And then in the end, the joke says ki the performer says, what do you even call such a set? And then I walk up to him with a mukbang artist dick in my hand and I carve it on his seat saying the aristocrats. That's how the joke ends.
Who's your favorite YouTuber right now?
I think my favorite YouTuber right now is Brandon Rogers.
Who's Brandon Rogers?
No idea.
You may not have. Again, BDSM of YouTube. Never mind.
Okay.
But if
Okay.
I would go for a little more mainstream, Andrew Skulls, obviously.
Andrew Schultz,
Schultz.
he's getting his own
Schultz.
Netflix show.
He's
soon.
getting his Netflix, right?
Finally.
Wow.
After like
So which are your biggest comedic comics? Which are your biggest inspirations? Dave Chappelle.
Yes. Yeah, Patrice O'Neill and obviously Dave Chappelle. Who doesn't like Dave Chappelle?
Huh.
But to go a little more insightful on who I actually looked up to when I started doing comedy, I think it would be Biswa Galendrath, man. That's where I started.
Interesting. Yeah.
Hmm.
Biswa has recently released his own course as well.
Biswa. Yeah, and
I'm
I
interested
may or
to
may
check
not have
it.
purchased it.
Have
Yeah.
you?
I haven't.
Yeah, he
yet.
has. He
I haven't
probably
yet.
will because he has mentioned it, right? So he probably is considering purchasing it.
Because I want to purchase it and I want to know if it's like good or
So,
not.
guys, for everyone out there watching, there's a course on how to be funny, and honestly, I think Oka should buy it. But so if you're watching this, if you're watching me right now, just comment ask Okas to buy it so that I can also watch it for free, man. Shit.
Nice.
And honestly, yeah, that's it.
When Prakhar was doing his set in Delhi, I was like,
Oh yeah.
if he bombs the set,
He
then
won't.
I'm gonna.
There's no way he would.
I know he brought his own crowd. That's fine, but like, listen, if he bombed his set, then the plan was ki Sukriti is gonna bring a cake which says, congratulations, you and me are on the same board. Regards, Okas. That is what the entire freaking
Okay.
idea was.
Okas,
I didn't even
I
know
think-
that. No wonder, Sukriti, your channel is dead.
Wow.
Oh,
God.
basically, dude, he's the chocolatey guy. Of course, women tell him shit. But anyway, basically, I don't think Prakhar would ever bomb. Not because his jokes are funny or whatever, doesn't matter. Because of his presence on stage, because of the way his personality is built. Even if the audience wasn't his, it wouldn't have been a bomb.
He's very
I think
good at it.
Prakhar he has mastered stage presence, alright. Plus, he is really big.
Yeah.
He's also very good at communication.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I don't think he bombs. He could, obviously, if he's against me, but I don't think he will.
So,
Otherwise he wouldn't.
speaking of Prakhar's performance, the Prakhar told me this when you guys were
हाँ जी.
performing, right? When he went performing, तू host से छुप रहा था. जो host था, उससे तेरी गांड फट रही
Who
थी.
the fuck told you that? Who the fuck? Okay, Manik Mahana was the host of that show. Big story. My last stand-up comedy was in 2018. My last open mic as a learner. After that, I just performed paid shows. ठीक है? So my last open mic was with this guy, Manik Mahana. बहुत गुस्से वाला
Right.
comedian and he's famous. You can watch his one video. He posted one. It got viral in 10 days. 18 million views in 10 days. And that's when he went on stage for a rough performance. He was just got famous. I was there in the audience. मेरा पहला show था. I sat there. I was looking at him कि fuck dude, he's here. Oh shit, आपको मजा आएगा. I went to do my performance. I came back. He came on stage. Now here's what happens. Now when you're doing comedy now, so there is this one really cool thing to end your set. It's called a callback. जहाँ पे तुम एक joke मारते हो, बीच में एक distraction डालते हो और फिर उस joke को continue करके set end करते हो. ठीक है? Funny चीज. But when it's under construction ना, तो people can know what's the callback. तो अब उसका set ये था. I wouldn't want to leak it, but it was कि जब भी कोई उसको लंबे टेक्स्ट करता है तो वो लिख देता है ओ भाई साहब. तो उसको पढ़ना नहीं पड़ता. ओ भाई साहब का कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं है. ठीक है? पूरा नहीं बताऊंगा मैं. बेसिकली ये था. फिर उसने बीच में एक डिस्ट्रैक्शन डाली कि वो किसी के घर शादी में गया, शादी के लिए जा रहा था, ड्राइवर का ब्रेकअप हो रहा था. आई फकिंग फिगर्ड इट आउट कि अब वो बोलेगा. उसने ड्राइवर को बोला ओ भाई साहब. तो मैंने ऑडियंस से बोल दिया ओ भाई साहब. फकिंग बदकुत्ती ऑडियंस 40-20 सेकंड तक हंसती रही. वो बंदा मेरे को देख रहा है. उसका 5 मिनट का टाइम खत्म हो रहा है. वो मेरे को घूर रहा है और वो बहुत गुस्से वाला है. मेरे को घूरे जा रहा कह रहा. मैंने उसके ऊबर पूल वाला जोक चोरी करके मैंने ओ भाई साहब बोल दिया. वो मेरे को घूर रहा है. कह रहा तूने परफॉर्म किया है? मैंने कहा हाँ. कैसा गया? एवरेज. कहता अपने आप को इतना ओवर एस्टिमेट कर लिया तूने. ये ऊबर पूल नहीं है. तू अपने टाइम पे तो हक के चला गया. अब तू मेरे टाइम पे यहाँ पे आके टट्टी कर रहा है. मेरी उसने प्रॉपर गांड मारी. लोग ऑडियंस को मेरी गांड मार के हंसाया. और फिर लास्ट में बोलता कभी सोचा नहीं था ना स्टेज से भी ऑडियंस को हैकल कर सकते हैं. He walked out. left the show. Fuck's sake.
wow.
I was petrified. ठीक है? Didn't perform open mics after that.
Petrified and turned on as well, huh? At the
Not
same
really.
time.
I was scared. वो मेरे को मारता. ठीक है? तो that is where it ended. ठीक है? उसके बाद I did last month. मैं गया. अब मुझे उसका पता था. He was trying to control anger that day. तो उसने हमें हैकल किया. वो ऑडियंस को हैकल करता है. आया मेरे पास आया, कह रहा है ये सारे यूट्यूबर के ग्रुप साथ में बैठे हैं क्या, मेरे को पूछता आप कौन हो, मैं कहा मैं कौन हूँ भाई। बेसिकली उसका आइडिया ये होता है कि ऑडियंस कुछ बोले और फिर वो ऑडियंस की बात में स्टूपिडिटी पॉइंट आउट करे, ठीक है। आई न्यू इट, ठीक है, तो आई यूज्ड इट अगेंस्ट हिम। कह रहा तुम यूट्यूब करते हो, व्हाट्स यूट्यूब मैन। फिर वो जो भी पूछ रहा मैं उसको सुपर स्टूपिड बना रहा डेलिबरेटली, ताकि ही कुडंट पॉइंट आउट द स्टूपिडिटी एनीमोर एंड ही मूव्ड ऑन। दैट वाज माय
Game
vengeance.
Oh,
Wow.
that's interesting. That's very interesting.
That was the best thing that happened to me. That's when I realized कि fuck this is fun.
You should do that more
दिल्ली में बहुत ओपन माइक्स होते हैं क्या?
Very a lot. The circuit is very active. I think Delhi, Bombay, not Hyderabad. हैदराबाद में क्या होता है? हैदराबाद में ओपन रूफ होते हैं क्योंकि आंधी से उड़ गई है. But yeah, that's the thing.
Oh man. You need to.
आंधी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैदराबाद इज नॉट कटक. तूने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गलत बोल दिया, ठीक है. तू फिर कटक, कटक में आंधी से उड़ जाती है.
Super bad in geography, man. Fuck's sake.
हाँ.
Yeah, man. This is
Was that the paper you are writing? Was that the geography paper you are writing with holding your trophy in your hand, left hand? Probably.
It is biology. You know, people who hand out these guy with the sign. You know, remember those guys?
yeah.
They write
Like,
something like that.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
I think they are really important for
Why?
I think first of all they shouldn't be allowed to speak. Okay, this is the only way they should be able to communicate. ठीक है, तुझे हगना है, मूतना है, माँ से बात करनी है. This is all you have now. One board, one chalk. That's it. That's it. You're done for life. First of all, that should be their means of communication. Because मादरचोद कुछ भी लिखने लग गए यार. मूत सड़क पे मत मूत, ये मत कर, कुछ भी मीम रेफरेंस डाल के लिख देते हैं बहुत सारे के. What was the point of that whole thing? कि it's going to be something important that has to be said out loud. मेरा
Right.
खड़ा नहीं होता. That's not to be said out loud. But they're just doing it. So I think that the only way to stop them now is कि these are your last words. One pen, one paper. You're never going to say anything for the rest of your life. That's how we handle these people.
If you had to crack one last joke
What would they?
in your comedy career, what joke would you crack?
One last joke in my comedy career, it would be pathetic. And
Right now, what what would you crack?
Right, because it would be, after I crack it, it is going to be my last joke in my career. But,
Oh, Brian is just like, yep, yes
but
sir.
if I do have to make a joke that could possibly my last joke, possibly be my last joke, it would be, do I have one right now? Yeah.
No, it hopefully it would be something you get paid for. Please.
Right.
What the hell? Right, man. Please.
Never mind.
So that's what I'm saying. Please just have the Zoom call. What I'm saying.
Fine. We will.
Why not? When? Bye,
This
man.
month.
It's been
This month for sure.
It's been bloody fucking 2 months already. Okay.
Right. Focus.
Focus, would you attend?
Yes.
Focus
yes.
will attend.
Yes.
I'm doing it for him, man.
I've been dying for him.
You know,
Focus.
honestly,
Focus.
I
He's gonna do crowd work right there with you and your lips. Okay. So I think you should come with a tape on.
That's the only crowd.
I will
That's the
come
only
with a
crowd I'm gonna work
different
for,
name.
man.
I'll come with a different name.
That and for never mind.
And for
Nah, this would again be like a shade and shit, but it's not. Never mind.
It's her, the girl that
I think-
and me. Definitely.
I'm sure the person who's watching, who's gonna throw shade on, they probably enjoyed the podcast as well.
I
You know-
want. Go on.
Yeah, never mind.
No.
Yeah.
I've been wanting to see him perform, but like because I have not seen him perform actually.
He would have dissed. He would have been amazing if he had performed in that. I was so excited that he's going. I thought he was gonna perform in that
Same,
open
हम
mic.
लोग
same.
यार
Where Prakhar,
पहले-
Vinamra
in the
and-
first half, I was complimenting myself. Now, like you guys are complimenting me. I think this is overwhelming for me now.
Masturbation and sex. That's what it is.
Yes.
That's the theme of the podcast.
I think Rav is actually funny, man. Rav is spontaneous.
Rav is
No.
very witty. He's very witty.
No.
I think here's how it works. Okas thinks before speaking. He is very articulate with his words. Okay? He hits where it's supposed to be. Not in the other sense because you clearly haven't hit this. But yeah. And Okas and Rav. No, did I say Rav or Okas?
उल्टा बोल दिया तूने. Articulate तूने बोला ओकस को.
Okas is articulate. ठीक है?
Yes.
And Rav
Yes.
is spontaneous and funny. So you guys are like a perfect combination for a good gay
Sex.
bond.
The reason that he's saying this, guys, is because he's just mentioned that अच्छा मेरे को तुम लोग compliment कर रहे हो तो I should
Yeah.
give it back in
This
some
is
way.
just
There's no
hyping
fucking
each
other
other
reason.
up. That's what we do on this podcast. But yeah,
Like,
that's it.
Would I do that?
But okay, since you are the host, you're gonna close the podcast.
Yeah.
So why don't you
I'm
close
gonna
it
close the
for us?
I'm gonna close the podcast with saying कि guys
उधर कैमरा
follow
में
me
देख
on guys you should follow me on social media because if you haven't maybe तुम्हारे घर पे लाइट चली गई है या तुम्हारे अंगूठे कट गए हैं. It could be any reason but you still have time. Oh fuck.
Or you don't have human right, or you don't have basic human rights. What?
Wait, do you remember? Okay, Ria Gogoi hasn't followed me back, man. I have been
What?
following her for like Ria Gogoi, right?
Yeah, we know.
Right.
We know Ria
She hasn't
Gogoi.
followed me back, man.
So
I think उसके घर में लाइट चली गई है.
Focus, we know Ria Gogoi, right?
you want me to call her right now? She lives like
अबे नहीं joke है. It's a joke. But like this, but it's interesting कि like इतने दिनों से लाइट नहीं है. That's fine. But yeah,
Wow.
the point is if you're watching this and you have light and thumbs, follow me on my social media. It's right there. Did I write it wrong? Fuck it. वही funny वाला. ठीक है? And if you are already following me and you are watching this, fuck, get a life. And the people, and if you know Rav and Okas and you have just discovered me, honestly, it would be great if we just stop it here. Don't discover me more. It's going to make it worse. You will realize that I actually meant it when I said I'm going to have sex with Rav and Okas. And when I said girls don't deserve human right, that was
You didn't
wrong.
mention any. First of all, you didn't mention anything about having sex with Rav. You only mentioned that you will
but
take me out on a
they will-
date.
But
That's
they
all.
will realize once they discover me. I'm sure.
alright man, this was great. This is amazing.
So yeah, that was it, guys. That was enough for today's podcast. I was going to finish it because I thought Okas will speak a lot, but honestly, I think he's getting better. Look at this. There's a lot of him.
Fucking asshole.
Lovely, great. Thank you, guys.
Great,
Thank you
great,
so
It
much.
was
for
nice
watching.
having
We'll see
you. You have been a great audience, depending on the comments. And if you didn't comment good shit about me, if you think I'm unfunny, mat khana mother chod samosa. That's it. Thank you. It was fun. Bye bye.